In the case of base chain, it was Brett. For Ethereum, it was Pepe. And now we have Unichain, and there is a high chance that we find a new meme coin that is going to dominate this entire space and do 1000x returns. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find that meme coin that is going to be skyrocketing in price on Unichain. If everything goes well, I'm going to show you how to use the bot that I just made for trading on Unichain with Telegram. And at the end of it, you will know exactly what needs to be done to buy the best coins so that you maximize your chances of success in this new exciting blockchain. As you already know, Unichain is the Uniswap blockchain that is made to trade coins on every chains. And it's great because it's super fast and it allows you to multiply your gains by trading very fast. So I made this bot that is called Unichain MEV bot. And it's a simple tool to buy and sell tokens. You simply start it with the start command. You create a wallet, you import it, and then you buy tokens and sell. But the most important feature is the set take profit and stop loss. With this, you can set a high target and limit your losses with a stop loss. That way, you're always protected and you're maximizing your chances of success. But the problem is finding the right tokens. That's why what you gotta do is go to DEX Tools or DEX View. DEX Tools or DEX View, both of them work. And find tokens with a lot of potential. In this case, we are gonna go to Unichain. You can go to the hot pairs, but those usually are risky. I'm not gonna go for them because they're risky, unless of course they have all of these social media handles, because they have to pay for this. If you see that all of these buttons are enabled for one of the hot pairs, you want to pay attention to that one. For instance, this one, if you take a look at the address, you will see that there's 1,000 holders. This has a good chance of success. What we're trying to do, we're trying to find tokens that can do an 1000x or 10,000x from here, basically dominate the market with a massive return. And stay tuned, because this is the stack process of how to do that. So yeah, you find tokens that seem interesting. In this case, Uniduck seems legit. Let's go and take a look at the contract. You see there are no weird function names. You don't even have to be a coder to understand this, but my point is you are simply researching and finding tokens that have a good chance at success. So what I'm gonna do is I'm simply copying the address. I'm gonna access my Unichain MEV bot. By the way, this is the username Unichain_MEV bot, and I'm gonna simply buy the token. You must fund the wallet with some Ethereum on Unichain, but that's pretty easy. So I'm just gonna buy the token to show you how it works so that you can replicate the same process. What it's doing here, it's buying the token. And now I enter here. You see the purchase was successful. If I start it again, you will see that I have the tokens Uniduck. Now I am gonna set up a take profit and stop loss by simply going here. And yeah, the way this works is you set up a take profit. In this case, we are gonna do a 1000x, which is a 10x, and a stop loss of 50%. If it drops 50%, it's gonna sell. In either of these cases, it's gonna sell for a profit or for a loss. We have those set up in there. So now we go to the start menu and we are gonna see our take profits and stop losses. Right now it says 0 because the price is not detected, but you gotta trust me that this is set up already. So now you simply wait. You see, okay, is this token a winner or not? We're trying to capture a 10x, which means going from a market cap of 126,000 to $1 million in market cap. That's a lot, right? But some tokens will do this, will do that. It's like buying bread and other huge winners before they were released, because every time there's a new blockchain, there is one meme coin that dominates. Now we are seeing a lot of new coins being released. They don't make any sense, but this one has a huge potential because of the social medias, the design, the fact that it's trustworthy. Now they need to lock liquidity, but that should be enough for us to trust it. So your process is like that. You find tokens that have potential by going to the hot pairs or the live new pairs section, and then you buy them and set up the take profit. Let me repeat that. You research tokens that seem legit, you buy them, and you set up a take profit stop loss using the Unichain MEV bot. Without this, you cannot set a take profit or stop loss. This is super important because that's how you maximize your earnings. That's how you capture those wins. So if I manage to hit that, I will get at $100 or 200, something like that. But then in any case, these are some other tokens. This one is also trending. I saw here red, but I don't like this token. First, there is no logo. Then there is no socials. And if you go to the contract, which is this one, you will see there is few holders. You don't trust something that has less than 100 or less than 1,000 even. Then you go to the contract and you see that all these functions are super weird. Like they don't make any sense. Someone is hiding something with these functions. Like a normal contract doesn't have functions that have these weird characters. Usually they are called something simple like allowance, balance off. My point is this contract is not trustworthy because of the weird function names, low number of holders, no profile picture, and no socials. Even though it's trending and it's #1, you don't want to buy this one because it's usually a fake volume bot. Even the chart looks weird. This is not a natural chart. A chart like this is much more natural simply because you see irregular buy and sell patterns. See what I mean? You gotta pay attention to these things. But if you follow this process, you will eventually find something that makes you a 10x, 1,000x, something that goes way beyond all the other tokens because we are positioning ourselves before the main meme coin is created on Unichain. I don't want to repeat myself, but what I said is every chain has a meme coin, and you want to find that one meme coin that is dominating everything else. It was bred on Basecamp, Pepe on Ethereum, and Unichain will have its own meme coin. So yeah, give it a try. This bot is free. All it takes a 1% per trade for profit. And what you do is you go to the Unichain MEV bot and you start it with start. Then you set it up with create or import a wallet and select the wallet to activate the one that you want and buy or sell whatever you want. You can also see your tokens here if you want to access the token or see it. It's very interesting and it should be improved over time. Just let me know whatever features you want me to add, what new things you want me to create on this bot, because I can expand upon it and fix things. So I would love to hear your recommendations. This is another token that I saw, and this one has socials. It also has a profile picture. This one would be a good target for us to buy. Just to show you another example, you see 6,000 holders. The contract is not verified. That is a very bad thing because you don't know what kind of functionality the owner can do. They can steal your money or whatever. You gotta be careful with that. But in any case, make sure to try the Unichain MEV bot, join my MEV DAO group, my email list, subscribe, activate notifications, like and comment. You want to do everything because that will help me create more videos.